What's going on, guys? My Baitcaster handle is missing a part, as you guys can see right here. We are missing our cap. So you know what? I decided we're just going to replace the whole entire handle, and we've got a little bit of an upgrade here. We've got the Gomexus power handle, and this is the carbon fiber one right here, and it says right here it's for Shimano, the 7x4mm 95mm, and I believe that's the actual length there. So let's get this out of the box right here. Then I'm going to show you guys how to get it installed on your Baitcaster. Take a look at that. That is a beautiful looking reel handle. Good bearings in there, as you guys can see. Then all the stuff that you guys are gonna need for this is gonna be in the bottom part of this box here. I'm very excited to get this thing on the Curado DC. So now to start off, we're gonna need a small screwdriver. I'm just using my multi-tool here, but you're gonna start off by unscrewing this one right here, and then you're gonna take off this plate right here. So now that we've got this guy unscrewed right here, you're gonna be able to take this off right there, and make sure you guys hold down your star drag like I am here, because some of these star drags on these reels have a spring in there, and then that can actually fly off, and you don't want that because then your components are gonna go everywhere. Gotta find the right size here to be able to unscrew that. So hold your star drag down, loosen that up right there. So now that we've got this guy loosened up right here, we're gonna unscrew that. And there we go. We got this off. And now we can pop off our handle. Easy as that. So like I said, make sure you guys hold down your star drag, because I can already feel there is a spring in here, and the star drag will pop off if I don't hold it down. So now the next step is to get one of these pieces right here, stick it right down in there where you see this one right here, and we're gonna pop this handle right on. And then I'll take this piece, which was also included, pop it right on there, get it hand tight. And once you get that part all finished, you can see it's nice and tight on there. Make sure there's no wobbling in the handle. We're looking good. Still got good access to the drag clicker. Pop this plate on just like that, and then we're gonna put the last screws in, which are these tiny ones that were included. Now that we've got these tiny screws here tightened on, we are good to go. This handle is on good, and I'm really excited to use it. Feels very good in the hand, and it looks super cool on the reel too. I mean, just look at that thing. Very impressive power handle. And honestly, let's compare it really quick to the old one. I think that looks so much better on the reel. It's the same size as the old one, and it looks so much better. So if you guys are looking into getting a new handle for your Baitcaster, hopefully this video helped you out. I'll also make sure to drop links in the description and pin one down in the comments too, so you guys can check these handles out for yourselves. But I'm impressed so far, and I can't wait to get out on the water and try it out myself. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure to give it a like. I'll see you guys in the next video.